Hi everyone, my name is Rafael Lázaro. I am the owner of Lázaro Law Group, an employment law firm based in Chicago, Illinois. I am personally all about improving the workplace, and that is why I'm so excited about the new changes to the Chicago Human Rights Ordinance. They are effective currently in July, and if you are an employer with only one employee in the city of Chicago, this applies to you. There are three main changes, okay? Change number one, you must have a written sexual harassment policy that complies with the ordinance. And I guarantee you, even if you have a current sexual harassment policy, it is not compliant with the very specific requirements of the ordinance. For example, the ordinance would require you to state specifically where the employee can go to file a charge of discrimination. Most policies that I've seen do not contain that, okay? The other thing, and the very important thing that it says, is that it has to have a procedure for complaints, but it has to be confidential. In my mind, that means that there must be a way of the employee complaining anonymously, and that is huge because, as you probably suspect, the number one reason that employees do not complain is because they fear retaliation, right? So that's number one. Number two thing that you have to watch out for is that it mandates yearly training, 1 hour for regular employees, 2 hours for managers on sexual harassment, and very importantly, for managers, an hour of bystander training. What is bystander training? Bystander training is training that its whole goal is to give employees the tools to deal with sexual harassment if they observe it. So they're not necessarily the victims of sexual harassment, but what to do if you observe it in the workplace. And social scientists have said that specifically is effective in rooting out sexual harassment. So that is fantastic. So that is thing number two that you got to watch out for. Thing number three is that you have to have posters in the workplace, and they must be posted in English and posted in Spanish. And you have to comply. Why? Because the city has now substantially increased the penalties for not complying to up to $5,000 a day. That is huge. So it doesn't take a lot to comply, but you must do so. So that is why I am pretty excited about it, because it is we're moving in the right direction, and I'm hoping that other jurisdictions follow Chicago's movement towards really at the end of the day having a harassment-free workplace. So that's it for now. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.